Greetings everyone, my name is Divyansh Chauhan and I've built this website called AutoGuide. This is my version to the answer of the second problem statement of data analysis. To reach to this answer, the process was started by thinking like an automaker and creating use case stories. The 5 questions this website is trying to answer are: firstly, whom to build the car for? Secondly, what is the car supposed to be like? Thirdly, where to build it and where to sell the car? And fourthly, when to sell it. Now we will start with the first part, that is, whom to build the car for. To do that, we will go to the customer segmentation part of the website. In this, I've used an open source data set which will help us divide a customer into subgroups. Now, the segmentation will be based on 2 bases. Firstly, on the demographics of those people, and secondly on the behavioral attributes of those people. Demographics will include sex, age, occupation, etc., and behavioral will include pre-purchase, post-purchase and social interactions. Now coming to the demographical part, I've created clusters using k-means clustering after finding best fits using the elbow method. Along with this, we'll be using linear regression to try to find dependencies. Now visualization on the website are interactive to better cater to everyone according to their specific needs. Now coming to the behavioral analysis, I have segmented on their technical savviness using time spent on their phone. Also, post and pre-purchase decision will be understood under the launch time page. Now coming to car specification, after cleaning the dataset provided, multiple queries to understand current competition were written. Along with this, correlations between body types, mileage, power displacement, etc. were made to find dependencies and conclusive analysis from this page. The flow of this page is, firstly, finding the dominating market leaders. Out of this, the conclusive analysis was that Maruti has the highest number of cars in the market. Second was understanding the pricing in the automobile sector. Result from this was that there is most competition in cars below 40 lakh rupees. In body types, it was clear that SUVs are currently dominant. Similarly, going through this page, you'll find linearity in many slopes, which will help automakers decide specifications just on the basis of the dependency coefficient that came out from linear regression. Now that we have decided what to make, it's time to discuss where to build it. For this, I've done location analysis for 2 queries. Firstly, where to build it and then where to sell it. For building, aspects like connectivity were seen. To sell it, aspects such as population density, sex ratio, and total population were considered. Now the flow of this page is firstly understanding total population numbers, then understanding the population density of those places, then understanding the sex ratio of those places to see conservativeness in the society, and then finally we will see the road density, which will show us the interconnectedness among the states. Now at this point, the person might have a few options as to where to sell the car and where to build it. Now to check distance feasibility, I've created a Haversine calculator to estimate distance according to latitude and longitude inputs. Now that everything is decided, it's time to move on to the launch part. For this, I have used BERT deep learning model to do sentiment analysis using Twitter lifetime data. Now why have I used it? Basically, launching a product has a few hurdles, such as how is your competition doing at that time, what are the views of people towards your products and company, and hype of the products that you're launching right now. To tackle all this, sentiment analysis will analyze tweets in lifetime and tell you what people are talking about you, what are the most used words in terms of positive, negative, and neutral sentiment, also the frequency of those sentiments. With this, I'd like to end my presentation and hope my website will help you become a better automaker.